Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to get live TV on Firestick. Many networks and broadcasters offer their own apps on the Amazon App Store. For example, apps like Hulu, YouTube TV, Sling TV, Philo, and DirecTV Stream provide live TV streaming with various channel packages. Look for apps like Locast or network-specific apps that offer live streams of local channels in select areas. Consider subscribing to live TV platforms that offer a wide range of channels, including news, sports, entertainment, and more. These platforms often have dedicated Firestick apps. Some popular options include Hulu Plus Live TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, and Philo. If you have a cable or satellite TV subscription, check if your provider offers a Firestick app. Many providers offers live TV streaming through their apps, allowing you access to channels included in your subscription. Connect an HD antenna to your Firestick using a compatible tuner device. This setup allows you to access over-the-air channels for free, including local channels that broadcast live TV. Install third-party streaming apps or add-ons that offer live TV channels. However, be cautious when using unofficial apps, as they may not always be legal or reliable. If you are primarily interested in sports, consider apps like ESPN, NFL, NBA, and etc. For live news coverage, apps like CNN, Fox News, MSNBC, BBC News, and others provide live streams of news channels. Some users opt for custom IPTV services that offer live TV channels, often including international channels. However, be aware of the legal implications and ensure you are using a reputable service. Many cable and satellite providers offer TV Everywhere apps that allow you to stream live TV channels included in your subscription or various devices, including Firestick. Explore the Amazon App Store on your Firestick and search for apps related to live TV, news, sports, and entertainment to discover additional options. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.